Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Disconnect external drives and force shutdown 2 to 3 times to prompt automatic repair. Once the recovery screen appears, choose Advanced Options, then Troubleshoot. Make sure to select Startup Settings, then Restart. When options appear, press 4 to boot Safe Mode. Safe Mode loads minimal drivers so you can fix issues without background services interfering. This step isolates software conflicts and lets you run scans and changes safely before attempting a normal boot again. Don't skip it. Now you'll repair corrupted system files and undo recent changes. Open an elevated command prompt from Advanced Options or launch it in Safe Mode. Run sfc/scano and wait for it to finish. If it reports unrepairable files, follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to retrieve fresh components. Once those complete, remove any recent updates or rollback drivers in Device Manager if the problem started after a change. These actions fix core file corruption and finish by attempting a normal reboot. If Windows starts, immediately run Windows Update and create a restore point so you have a fallback. If the system remains stuck, use System Restore to revert to a known good point or choose Reset this PC and keep your files for a cleaner repair. If those fail, prepare a bootable Windows USB for repair or clean install, but backup data first. If nothing works, that bootable media plus backup will let you recover files and reinstall reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.